welcome to my channel, The Hungry Bazaar, which is an online shopping channel. And today I came to visit one outlet called the Popular Umbrella Manufacturing Company. This is an exclusive retail outlet of umbrellas, gazebo tents and kiosk garden umbrellas and all. And this comes in a street called Mamulpet, which comes in Bengaluru, India. And it comes in a complex called CBS Plaza in ground floor. So I'm just showing you the location. I'm standing in Mamulpet circle. This is Mamulpet's main circle, which comes nearby Chickpet metro station. The landmark is a Lal building nearby this place. There is a Lal building. And that is one landmark, and one more landmark is this Mamulpet circle. You can just have a look. This is a complex CBS Plaza, and here that company is there, the Popular Umbrella Manufacturing Company. Very nice outlet. 2 episodes are going to come. One episode is going to be of garden umbrellas. One will be gazebo tents and all. So this is his outlet. You can just have a look. Very nice outlet, and they are into this business for many years. Number is on video screen. If you want to know any detail, you want to purchase their products, just WhatsApp them. They'll send you all the details. Small umbrellas, big umbrellas, garden umbrellas, tents, kiosk, gazebo tents, all type of umbrellas you'll get. Customization is also done. Customization price, and that pitch is little bit different. You'll have to take minimum 6 pieces for that, and you can just check the varieties. Lot of varieties. If you are into business, you want to start a business, or you want to purchase for yourself, for your house, for restaurants, for cafe, all types of umbrella you will get over here. Number is on video screen. You want to purchase any of the products, WhatsApp, they'll send you all the detail. Delivery is there, delivery charges will be there. Owner of this place, his name is Mr. Kiran Shah. So sir, welcome to my show. Sir, tell me something about your company, what and all you get over here.
See, our company started in 1948.
Okay.
Since then we are running umbrella business.
Okay.
Throughout the years.
All right, sir.
And we have all varieties of umbrellas.
Okay.
Ranging from baby umbrella to big garden umbrellas.
Okay, sir. And where and all your product goes, sir, in India? Where and all it goes?
Mostly in South India.
South India. Okay, and how many years over, sir, for you in this business?
75 years.
75 years. Okay, sir. And right now I'm introducing you to the owner of this place. His name is Mr. Dhruv Shah. Hi, Dhruv. Welcome to my show. Dhruv, tell me something about your studio. What and all you'll get over here?
So we get all variety of umbrellas.
Okay.
The garden umbrellas, designing umbrellas.
Okay.
And even patio umbrellas.
And gazebo tents also you'll get.
Gazebo tents as well.
Okay, and would you like to take through your products of umbrellas and all?
Yes, sure.
Okay.
So all these are kids umbrella. You have multiple variety and different sizes.
Okay.
Even it comes from those are the smallest size you get.
Any starting price you want to tell? How much it starts?
From 70 rupees wholesale.
70 rupees wholesale, and prices are subject to change in future. This is a present price. Yeah. Apart from this, how many varieties will get in this?
You get all these varieties, and they'll increase also during season.
Okay. So right now you have almost like 20-30 varieties.
20, 30 and this umbrella.
Okay. And apart from this?
And this you get even the umbrellas
Transparent.
transparent umbrellas for photo shoots and all.
Fantastic. How much is this normally?
This costs anywhere between 300 rupees.
300 rupees. Nice. In this you get one standard color.
So
White.
standard color, standard size.
Okay. Cool. Nice. So here people when they come they can buy one single piece from you.
We have one single piece.
Right? Yeah.
So this is the transparent umbrellas. Then we start from two-fold umbrellas. All these are two-fold umbrellas. So these are all the two-fold umbrellas, and this you can even customize. These are the customizable one.
Okay.
And this you can add your own logo, any color combination you want. If you want blue, white,
That you will get, you can get it done.
We can get it done.
So for that, how much they have to buy?
So it's minimum 144 piece if they want
Customization
logo.
144 piece.
Yeah, that's one bundle, one carton.
One cartoon.
So
Okay.
you have this color combination also, red, white, any
Nice.
color combination you get.
And what do you want to tell about the quality of the cloth and all?
So you get from very basic polyester and satin to pure nylon, which is elephant range. These are the most premium ranges, elephant.
Nice.
And this is jumbo size umbrella,
Nice. Cool.
army design,
Very nice.
wider opening.
Okay.
This pure nylon.
And your collection keeps getting updated in how many days?
In every few
Every
months.
now and then.
Every now and then. Okay, sir.
The bend umbrella, bend handle.
Okay, bend handle. So in this also you can
For
just
this.
check different designs is there.
We come on to three-fold umbrellas.
Okay.
They start from, these are the basic ranges to all the premium ranges.
Okay.
These are all the like how denim design, this is jeans design.
Nice.
This is happy cloth.
Okay.
This cloth comes from Dubai.
Okay. Cool. Nice. Denim.
Denim design. This
First time I'm
this
watching.
nylon cloth.
Nice.
But the design is denim.
Very nice. Okay. So denim umbrella, first time in my life I've seen. So that also you get here. They are in this business for many years. If you want to know any more detail, you want to purchase their products, WhatsApp them. They'll send you all the detail. Number is in the video screen. Yeah, apart from this.
All this variety and just umbrellas, 3-fold folding umbrellas, no one else will give in Bangalore.
All right.
So again this, like this 3-fold automatic.
Okay.
Again pure nylon cloth.
Nice. Very nice. Cool. Means you have A to Z umbrellas here. Like
All the kind of
anyone who will come to you, he'll not go empty hand.
yes.
So many varieties are there. Like here altogether 200-300 varieties are there.
Easily, yes.
Easily, right?
And even we have 5-fold umbrellas which come in this packing.
Okay.
Like this.
Okay.
And this this is smaller than this,
Okay.
but opens wider than even this umbrella.
Okay. Bigger than this. Wider. Yeah. But very portable.
Very portable.
Very nice. Just see. Cool. So and very easy to carry. This is. You can just
Very
check.
easy to carry.
Like sunglasses kind of
Yeah.
box. This is so small. It is very portable. So very nice place. This is for umbrellas and all. Yeah. Apart from this.
We have the decoration umbrellas over here.
Okay. Wow. This is very nice.
So you have the wedding decorations and all.
Superb.
The Japanese umbrellas,
Fantastic.
and then there are garden umbrellas with different sizes you have.
All right. So these are the garden umbrellas. You can just have a look. And if you're looking for some function for parties or anything, they have all
These
kind
are
of.
mostly used in events and marriages.
Okay. So this is mostly used in events and marriages. These umbrellas and very much popular, trending nowadays. Everywhere this is. Yeah. Tell me.
And this is in South Indian wedding for Kashi Yatra. They have certain kind of umbrellas.
Yeah. For spiritual purpose, you
These are
get.
used for Kashi Yatra.
Very nice. Multi-purpose. This all is.
We have even umbrellas for elders, like over here.
Okay.
So all these are, they can start from basic ranges,
Okay.
all the basic ranges
Can
like
you just
this.
open one? Yeah. So this.
Basic item.
Okay,
Most
sir.
basic item you can get.
All right. Nice. So the durability. What about the durability?
Depending on the quality which you choose.
Okay.
So this is the most basic one.
Main depending upon the use.
Okay, sir.
And
Use
even
it.
usage. You can't take any umbrella on two-wheelers because they will break.
Okay.
And this is the most premium quality.
Yeah, because of the extreme wind.
Yes.
Okay, nice. Very
And the
nice.
golden ribs also.
Superb. This is.
Contrast.
Okay, nice. And
Like
apart
this
from
also you get for corporates.
This is like big size.
Every 2 people, so for hotels and all, if they have to escort people and all,
yeah, nice.
they can easily go in there.
Superb. This is like seen with many people, executive people.
This is known as golf umbrella.
Okay, sir.
Basically, it will be used by the golf players.
All right, nice. Okay. Yeah. Apart from this, yeah, start. So what do you want to show right now?
So this is a square garden umbrella.
Okay. Oh, nice.
So this
Very
comes
nice.
with silver coating inside for
Okay.
sun protection and for rain.
And this is like a big size.
This is big size. You get
Okay.
bigger size than this also.
Okay, so this is a garden umbrella. You can just have a look. In garden umbrella, how many varieties we get, like size wise?
Around 10 to 12 varieties.
10 to 12 varieties you will get, from smallest, medium till big size you will get. And
Yeah.
colors?
In colors also you get anywhere between 5 to 8 colors.
5 to 8 colors. And customization can be done.
Customization can be done on selective garden umbrellas.
And 6 pieces minimum.
On garden umbrellas, it will be up to, it has to be minimum 20 pieces.
20 piece. Okay, this garden umbrella. Okay, so you have to order minimum 20 piece. Any customization if you don't want, you can buy single piece also. Delivery charges, whatever the porter charges are there. And these are the garden umbrellas. You can just have a look. Size, small, medium, big. And like this stand also come. These are standard stand.
Yeah.
So-
Unless you get heavy stand also, but those are mainly for the big umbrellas. For such umbrellas, you get the heavy stand.
Okay.
So in golf umbrella, we can customize your printing like this.
Okay, nice.
We can use this used in hotels, in tech parks,
Nice.
places.
Cool. Nice. These are standard size.
This standard 29 inches.
Okay.
So that 2 people can easily go in there.
Nice. Very big one.
This is a very heavy umbrella. This is made from Teflon fabric.
Okay.
This granite base weighs 70 kgs
Okay.
and umbrella weighs around 30 kgs. Both combined will be around 100 kgs.
Okay.
This is
Yeah.
this used in resorts near the beach side and all.
Okay. Cool.
So all these are weatherproof umbrellas.
So in this we get colors also.
This is completely customizable.
So before wind up, I just want to tell that this studio is having very beautiful collections of all the umbrellas. We'll highly recommend you people also come to the studio. I'm sure you'll become the regular customers. I'll meet you in another new happening shopping destination. Till then, have a great time.